Welcome to BioHub. Let's start with biomolecules. In this chapter, we will see analysis of organic and inorganic matter, metabolites, amino acids, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and enzymes. In this video, we will focus on analysis of organic and inorganic matter and metabolites. For the estimation of organic matter, we will take biomolecule, mix it with trichloroacetic acid, then we will form its homogeneous slurry mixture with the help of mortar and pestle. After staining it with cheesecloth, we will get two type of fractions, that is filtrate and retentate. Filtrate also known as acid soluble pool, while retentate also known as acid insoluble pool. So we have seen that we get two types of fraction. The fraction which get filtered is known as filtrate, while which is unable to get filtered is known as retentate. The molecular weight of biomolecules lies in acid soluble pool ranges from 18 to 800 Dalton, while that of acid insoluble pool it is more than 10,000 Dalton. Examples of biomolecules in acid soluble pool are simple sugars, amino acids and nucleotide, while which are in acid insoluble pool they are polysaccharides, proteins, nucleic acids. We simply remember it as polymeric form. Like polymeric form of simple sugar is polysaccharides, amino acids is proteins, nucleotides is nucleic acids. You must remember one important thing about lipids. Although the molecular weight of lipid is less than 800 Dalton, but it comes under acid insoluble pool because it is insoluble in water and it's separated vesicles. So we must remember that lipids not comes under acid soluble pool fraction. It comes under acid insoluble pool fraction. For the analysis of inorganic matter, we will take inorganic biomolecule, we will dry and weigh it, heat it at high temperature, then we get ash. From this ash, we will study various inorganic constituents of this inorganic matter. Now metabolites, they are of two types, primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Primary metabolites, these are those metabolites which directly participate in any biochemical reactions like formation, growth, reproduction. Its examples like chlorophyll which directly participate in photosynthesis, amino acid directly participate in protein formation, heme directly participate in process of respiration. Now secondary metabolites, these are those metabolites which do not directly participate in biochemical reaction. It indirectly participates in any biochemical reaction. Example of secondary metabolites are polymer, pigments, alkaloids, terpenoids, toxins, lectins, essential oil and drugs. Polymers like rubber, gum, cellulose, pigments like anthocyanin, carotenoids, alkaloids like morphine, codeine, terpenoids like monoterpene, diterpene, toxins like abrin and ricin, lectins like concanavalin A, essential oils like lemongrass oil, drugs like curcumin and vinblastine. You simply remember these examples by learning a simple mnemonic, that is tap square LED. Here you must remember T comes twice and P comes twice. T stands for terpenoids and toxins, A stands for alkaloids, P square stands for polymer and pigments, L stands for lectins, E stands for essential oil and D stands for drugs.